Hello, I'll show you how to reproduce this performance degradation issue related to editor placeholder plugin. First of all, open this sandbox by link. I already have it opened in incognito tab. I use full build of CKEditor version 4.18, I believe it's the latest one, and I think editor placeholder included into that build. I use almost 3 MB content, just a plain text to test. That's the issue. Copy. Let's test first without editor with editor placeholder. So I add this as editor placeholder. You can see it's here. Paste content. Open tools, and let's measure the performance. Type any sentence. How are you doing? As you can see, it takes a couple seconds to actually render the sentence. And if we see events, what is going on? Usually event key down takes about 30 milliseconds on this amount of content, which is pretty good. But event key up, it takes much longer. It's about 167 milliseconds. Usually takes between 160 to 250 milliseconds based on your configuration. And let's compare this to the version of editor, CKEditor without the plugin. Duplicate tab, exactly same sandbox, and add editor placeholder to remove plugins. So as you can see, there is no placeholder anymore. Let's insert content. Open tools and measure exactly the same thing. Type a sentence. How are you doing? As you can see, even visually, you can see much better performance. And if you check events, key down stay relatively the same, executes exactly the same time, like about 30 milliseconds, but event key up takes so small amount of time that it's usually not visible here. It's usually hard to find in yellow case. It takes only half of milliseconds comparing to the version with editor. And if you analyze this with plugin, with editor plugin, editor placeholder plugin, if you analyze this key up call stack, you see there is a f function. I cannot open it, but if you open sources and you search for editor placeholder, you see this is a function f. If you go back, function f, get data, this is function f, and then get data gets called here. So this function takes too long time. If you go back to our issue, I give a link to source code. This is a source code. This is a function toggle placeholder, and it's a event handler on change event. This is the root cause. I'm not sure event. I don't think editor placeholder plugin is the root cause. Probably this part is the root cause for this issue. It takes too long time to execute, but I didn't investigate more.